Evergreens. I have a math problem and I need your help. I'm here in my kitchen and I have a bunch of dirty pots and pans to wash. I hate washing pots and pans, but I know every hour I leave these pots and pans, they're gonna take me twice as long to clean. If right now it's gonna take me 10 minutes to clean these pans, then I know this situation can be represented by the function f of x equals 10 times 2 to the power of x. When I say go, silently and independently write on your handout, why is this situation best represented by an exponential function? Go. And come back together in 3, 2, 1, time. We know this should be an exponential function because we are doubling the amount of time it takes to wash the dishes every hour. This means we have a common factor or multiplicative rate of change. In this problem, we were asked how much longer it would take me to wash the dishes if I waited to do it for 5 hours instead of waiting only 4 hours to get started. When I say go, turn and talk with your partner. What strategy can we use in order to solve this problem? Go. And come back together in 3, 2, 1, time. Our strategy here should be to find the value of f of 5 and the value of f of 4 and find the difference between those two outputs. This will tell me how much longer it will take me to wash the dishes if I wait 5 hours instead of waiting 4 hours to get started. Now that we know our strategy, on your handout you have 2 work samples that show you finding the value of f of 5. When I say go, turn and talk with your partner. Which one of those work samples is correct and what misconception was made in the incorrect work sample? Go. And come back together in 3, 2, 1, time. The correct work sample here is sample number 2. In sample number 1, the misconception was incorrectly evaluating 2 to the 5th power. Here we see 2 to the 5th power was evaluated as 10. That's 2 times 5. 2 to the 5th power actually means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Which would give us 32. So the correct answer here was 320 minutes. When I say go, turn and talk with your partner. Is this number 320 minutes our final answer? Why or why not? Go. And come back together in 3, 2, 1, time. We know 320 minutes is not our final answer. That is only the value of f of 5, or how long it's going to take me to wash the dishes if I wait 5 hours to get started. In order to finish solving the problem, we need to find the difference between 320 minutes and f of 4. When I say go, take 40 seconds silently and independently to finish solving this problem on your own. Go. And come back together in 3, 2, 1, time. In this case, we can see that it would take 320 minutes if I waited 5 hours to start washing the dishes, and and it would take 160 minutes if I waited 4 hours to start washing the dishes. Therefore, I know it would take me an extra 160 minutes to wash the dishes if I waited 5 hours to get started instead of only waiting 4 hours to get started. Thanks, Evergreens. I knew I could count on you. Washing pans sucks.